Hello, welcome to my channel Humanity Above Religion. Today I am going to talk about the point system in express entry if you are applying PR. Well, I am sure by now we all know the answer is 67 point and your occupation must be in NOC. Now, what I keep thinking to myself is this: what it is. Should I consider myself that I am eligible to apply for the Canadian FSWP program if I am meeting this criteria? In my point of view, the answer is no. Gone those days with 67 points for the eligibility, and now let's face the reality with CRC ranking. If you study a little about this CRC ranking, you will be amused to know how points are distributed. As someone already mentioned about the CRC ranking, now please have a look from the embassy how it has been working so far. If you see this report, you will understand where are we standing in the EOI system at present. Express entry results, previous round of invitations. My conclusion: I would not apply for express entry if I am not scoring minimum 400 points from my individual skills, though I know it's not guaranteed that I would get through the EOI with 400 points. If you refer to the above mentioned report, you will understand what I am talking about, but hoping that I will at least get an invitation from the Ontario province, which will make me to secure 600 points. Applicants are successful in getting invitations from Ontario who is scoring minimum 400 in CRC ranking. This is the only hope for people who are scoring 400 points at this moment. Now, what will happen to all those applications who hardly has a score of 300 or 350 in CRC? Not to forget, they do have an option of provincial, nominated and job bank. I wonder why do they even have something called job bank, which Indian citizen is getting a job offer from this now. But yes, you can still have a try to get province nomination as and when the province opens up for your application. This all depends upon the provincial nomination. So finally my answer is I am not against Canadian PR. In fact, their processing fees is much lesser than Australia PR, and of course they are not charging for EOI. If you are processing your own application, then yes, it makes sense for you to take a chance with less ranking. But if you are paying someone to do your paperwork, then please be aware of your CRC ranking. You can calculate your CRC ranking from the below tool, analyze your score, analyze your chances of getting through an EOI, and then apply to the process. Don't simply apply just because you are meeting the criteria of 67 comprehensive ranking system CRC. I wish good luck to all the applicants who are waiting for an invitation from CIC, and also hope and wish that CRC score will come down in the near future. Hope it helps. Thank you.